Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use investing apps. First, select an app that fits your investment style, whether you prefer active trading or automated portfolios. Next, complete the account setup, which typically involves providing personal information and linking a bank account. Be sure to review the app's security measures and understand any potential fees before you deposit funds and begin investing. Once your account is open, you'll need to fund it. Most apps allow you to link a bank account for seamless transfers. Consider starting with a modest initial deposit, perhaps $100, to get comfortable. Begin by exploring basic investment options such as individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, or even fractional shares. Many apps offer educational resources to help you understand these choices better. Investing apps offer a wide range of options. You can invest in individual stocks, bonds, or exchange-traded funds, known as ETFs. Some apps also provide access to mutual funds or even cryptocurrency. It's crucial to understand the risks associated with each. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes can help manage risk and potentially improve long-term returns. After making your initial investments, it's important to monitor your portfolio regularly. Most apps provide real-time data and performance tracking. Set up notifications for important market news or price changes. Periodically, you might want to rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing is a long-term journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.